Welcome back, DIYers, to Ask Antonio. All right, so today we have Joe. He is from New York. He has a house he's been living in for the last, say, 15, 20 years. The deck was original when he moved in. His decking question is this. My boards are all dried out. I have a wood deck. They're all dried out. They're cracking. What can I do to repair them, or do I need to replace my deck? So this is a really good question, Joe. Matter of fact, this raises a lot of huge questions in my business because this can go in several different directions. You can either need a complete deck replacement, or if the boards are still fairly in good shape, they just need to, get lightly sanded, screw down some of the boards and then give a stain job over top of that. Or some board replacement along with that. But if they are rotted and there's a lot of disrepair in the deck, chances are you're just going to have that all ripped off and replaced with composite. Obviously, we all have a budget. Composite is the way to go. That's what I do all summer long. Tear-offs and put all composite. You never have to do a thing to it ever again. You don't have to spend every season painting it or staining it. Here's what I'm going to tell you there, Joe. Find yourself 3 different contractors, maybe 4 different contractors, and get their assessment on the deck. Everybody's going to tell you something different. Get some painting contractors out there. See what they think about it. Sometimes they can just give you a nice makeover, and that'll last you a couple years. I've done that for some of my clients just to get them through a few years before they, put a new deck on. I've gotten them through 4 years of use. If you don't want to put the money out right away. But that is your choice there, Joe. Definitely get some contractors out there. Like I said, you're going to get a lot of different answers from different guys. Try to find reputable guys and then make your decision from there. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for your question. I hope things are good up there in New York. And we'll see you on the next Ask Antonio.